Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on Etsy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Etsy app or website. Log into your account. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find specific items. Once you find an item you're interested in, click on it to view the product page. Check for any ongoing promotions or discounts listed on the product page. Look for coupon codes available from the seller under their shop policies or announcements. Add the item to your cart. Before checking out, review your cart for any accessory items that may qualify for bundled discounts. Check the shop's main page for additional sales or coupon codes that may not be listed on the product page. Consider purchasing during major sales events like Black Friday or Cyber Monday for potential savings. If you're a frequent buyer, sign up for newsletters from your favorite shops to receive exclusive offers. Join the Etsy Buyers Club or Etsy's social media pages for potential flash sales information. If you're not in a hurry, consider adding items to your favorites and waiting for a sale alert. Review the shipping options. Sometimes, buying from a local seller can save you on shipping costs. Compare similar items from different shops to find the best price while ensuring quality. After applying any coupon codes or promotions, proceed to checkout. Ensure all your items are eligible for any postal code discounts before completing the purchase. Finalize your payment and wait for your unique Etsy finds to arrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.